Hey guys, what's going on? Jason with Creighton Media here. It's been a while since I've been around. Been a very busy year for myself and my family. But I'm coming back, and today's the first part of this. Going to be building my new gaming machine here and my editing rig. It's kind of a little bit of everything. So also going to be doing this as a water-cooled system, which I've never done before. I built plenty of computers in my time, but never done water cooling, so pretty excited about this. I will be going through everything and kind of giving a review and lessons learned as I go through the videos. So here we go. We're gonna get back to this in a couple days when the parts that I need show up to finish this. Some things that I really learned from this was get the reservoir size right, because I wanted a big one, but I did kind of get close there on space. We'll see how this is going to work out. I think it's going to work out fine, but we'll see. I also needed some fittings. I wish I had a better understanding of how that was all going to work out, so I could have gotten those ahead of time. And I'm a little I'm nervous. I'm nervous about bending pipe. We'll see how it's going to go. Stay tuned for the next episode, and hopefully that'll be in the next couple days.